Starting around 07 walk 2024 Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at 0.74 to 45 in term of its first rate with the value change of 0.67% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is very critical. ADA sort of has a truly all-out market cap of $26 to $423 $176,372 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $965 9812 452, which by and large is genuinely critical. This basically makes Cardano ADA especially positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, which basically is very huge. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano truly be especially worth in 2024, which most certainly is very critical. Is Cardano an especially wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which most certainly is very huge? Will ADA cost generally outperform its unequaled kind of high in a very significant manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano ADA value expectation. 2024 as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost by and large is supposed to especially cross an essentially normal value level of $1, the normal pretty least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $19678, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides ADA can all things considered, arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $114 in every practical sense large way. ADA value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Cardano by and large is determined to basically be at around a for the most part least worth of $0.608098 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Cardano value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.7842 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.176024 in USD, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA value estimate April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Cardano especially is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.7562. The ADA cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $22.23 with the especially normal cost around $0.7853 incredibly. Cardano value expectation May 2024. Cardano cost by and large is supposed to generally reach between $0.7719 to $0.2537 in May 2024, while the sort of typical cost of ADA for the May especially remains around $8010 Cardano ADA value. Figure June 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for June 2024 may really arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.7879, while the kind of most extreme determined cost is around $0.8937, which basically is genuinely critical. The exceptionally normal cost for ADA really is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach $0.8070 in June 2024 in a genuinely significant way. Cardano ADA value estimate July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Cardano certainly is somewhat anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.204015, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.346 and a fundamentally least of $0.1852 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to by and large be at around at least $0.2388, showing the way that the ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.8223 with the essentially normal cost around $0.7853, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of limit of $767 with the extremely normal cost of $751 in USD, which certainly shows that starting around 07. Walk 2024 Cardano is exchanging at $0.7045 in term of its first rate with the value change of 0.67% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA value expectation September 2024. The cost for Cardano in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.8811 and $1.01 in a really significant manner. While the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $102 in a fundamentally large way. Cardano value expectation October 2024. The cost of Cardano in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to generally reach at an essentially least worth of $0.9-103 in October 2024, showing how certainly is Cardano a fundamentally wise speculation, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $105 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $2.66 all through 2024, exhibiting how Cardano value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano for the most part is supposed to by and large be at around a truly least of $0.388, showing the way that the ADA cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $22.23 with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.7853, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano value figure November 2024, the normal cost of Cardano ADA could truly go to $0.98844. Toward the finish of November 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA could in a real sense exchange around a really most extreme worth of $109 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.9481, which sort of is genuinely critical. ADA. Value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is determined to basically be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.19678, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a very limit of $0.14 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1 in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost sort of has shown an especially decent increment of 197% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours. So ADA value estimate April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Cardano explicitly is supposed to basically arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.7562 in a very significant manner. From very most recent 7 days, the ADA in every practical sense was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 12%, which truly is very critical. Cardano especially has shown areas of strength for truly all plans and purposes potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, especially further appearance how in the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano explicitly be by and large worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner. Cardano value conjecture 2024 fakes, what will be Cardano truly worth in 2024 in a genuinely huge manner. The ADA cost by and large is gauged to in every practical sense, arrive at a greatest degree of $0.14 with especially least cost of $0.99678 toward the finish of 2024, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does Cardano in every practical sense have a future, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking?